Hi, having graduated from electronics and communication engineering background, I already had a lucrative job offer from Intel in the spring of 2017. But having come from a family of farming, I have seen the inefficiency that Indian agriculture supply chain is suffering at every stage. I have personally seen my father and peer farmers suffer huge losses in transit. So, against everyone's desire to see me working at a tech giant like Intel, seeing the sufferings in the Indian agriculture supply chain, I was strongly propelled to somehow begin my humble journey in the field of supply chain. And today, here I am at DAT Solutions working as a senior supply chain associate for close to 4 years now. In this role as a supply chain associate, I have held the major responsibility of building an effective data validation tool, leveraging the automation capabilities of SQL and Alteryx for the North American freight transportation data for full truckload and less than truckload industry. This has significantly changed the way we handle the freight transportation data. At the same time, it has boosted the productivity of the benchmark analytics team. Now, having seen the various facets of the freight logistic industry, at this stage, the MIT Supply Chain Blended program is a key to me for two main reasons. Number one, the subject number SEM 256 titled Data Science and Machine Learning for Supply Chain Management and SEM 266 titled Freight Transportation will strongly help in enhancing my present working knowledge on data science and machine learning to be able to apply to logistics, transportation, and many other supply chain problems. Number two, using this knowledge, given an opportunity, I want to go back to DAT as a data scientist and help them build an effective econometric model to benchmark and estimate market rates for less than truckload shipments hauled at minimum charge in the North American region. Now, this is an outstanding problem, and given the fact that LTL is a $75 billion industry in US, and given the fact that cost drivers for LTL tariff-based shipment is different from LTL minimum charge shipments, this could significantly change the way we provide market estimates for less than truckload shipments hauled at minimum charge in the North American region. Alternatively, I would like to be part of MIT CTL Freight Labs and seek opportunity with DAT Solutions to collaborate on solving this research problem. Now, I want to give back to this community in the following two ways. One, I want to share my work experience working in the freight analytics industry with my peers in the community program and help them gain knowledge on building effective data validation tools leveraging automation capabilities of SQL and Alteryx in their own industry, and also help them understand the major cost drivers for any freight transportation industry. Number two, having already gained good experience in preparing course content and serving as instructor for courses like SQL for Data Science and Mathematical Foundation for Data Science, and having trained corporate employees at companies like Amazon and Inmobi, given an opportunity in the teaching community of the MIT CTL, I see myself as a promising candidate who would like to serve as a teaching assistant for developing supply chain related course contents in the existing program as well as on the digitization of supply chain system, which I personally feel is gaining traction than ever before. Finally, I want the admission committee to know that although this is a long term goal, I want to go back to what strongly propelled me to join the supply chain domain. That is, I want to go back to my hometown village and help farmers build an effective agriculture supply chain system with the motto farmers grow and farmers reap. And I'm pretty sure that the freight transportation knowledge that I am going to get in this program and the work experiences will strongly help me cement my knowledge on understanding how the farmers are suffering huge losses in transit, because the freight transportation is a key enabler in the Indian agriculture industry, and I'm pretty sure that at least the next generation of farmers reap the benefits they deserve. All right, Varun Shekhar signing off here. Thanks for taking your time watching this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.